Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Aquarius. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So these are for your general energies, Aquarius. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, Aquarius. So let's start with these cards here. We have Three of Water, Messenger of Water and Temptation. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work situation or maybe in your relationship, you are feeling quite emotional today, guys. Maybe emotional for because some kind of happiness today, or maybe you are feeling really overwhelmed in your work situation. You are really emotional about something because all your expectations have come true, or certain things have worked out for you. Maybe the plans you had in your work situation regarding some projects or some financial deals, whatever it may be. So all that is happening. Work is flowing through you, and maybe all that sadness you had because some kind of failures in some projects or whatever it was, maybe some resentments you had in your work, all that has resolved and you're feeling really happy for the way things are going today in your circumstances. And maybe in your situation, you are focusing or you are working towards greater plans. Maybe you have future plans, you have a lot of ambitions, and you are expecting certain things for yourself, maybe in your work, and you're working towards that. And you may make choices that may look like too much of ambition today, guys, Aquarius. But whatever it is, all that is going to succeed. That is what I see, guys. Maybe you are planning and dreaming a lot, fantasizing a lot, and maybe you are having some kind of an attachment maybe to your ways of doing things or your ideas, maybe. But whatever it is, guys, it may look like a mistake on someone else's point of view, but it is going to work out very well for you, guys. So things are falling into place, Aquarius, and that is the reason you feel really happy, content, and you feel really inspired, and you are happy with the way things are going. So even in this relationship with this person you love, you are happy for the way this relationship is unfolding. That friendship you both share, mutual love, trust and caring for each other, and you are you have that deep love and bond with this person, guys. And whatever they are, you are able to relate to that. So this relationship is being built on honesty and trust. So both of you may have your positives and negatives. So both those shadow and light characteristics you both have. You know each other and you know each other's secrets. And that may be the reason this relationship is working in a very positive way, because it is built on trust and love. So there are no more secrets between you both. That may be the reason for the success of this relationship. So for your relationship, we picked one card, and it is 10 of water. So with this card, guys, it looks like you are moving towards marriage or commitment. So you are really happy, satisfied, that emotional contentment and joy is there in this connection, Aquarius. So for your career circumstances, Aquarius, we have 5 of earth. So it just means that in your circumstances, you are, maybe you have expected certain things, and you have overlooked certain offers that have come your way, and those are uh, very lucrative offers, something beyond your expectation, but you avoided it thinking that it may not work for you. But these opportunities will lead to success, guys. So if you are attentive enough, if you are aware of the opportunities that are reaching you in your work, you are going to taste success very soon, Aquarius. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Aquarius, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, please watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Aquarius, for your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it says breathe. So with this card in your circumstances today, guys, this is not the time for you to make any decisions. Maybe you are rushing into something, you want to make some choice and move forward, make that next step, or decide something for yourself, but this may not be the right time for that. This is the time for you to just wait, and in this relationship or in your career situation, whatever it is, release that anxiety you are feeling, stress you are having today, and take a deep breath. Let nature take its own course. See where things are going today, guys, for you all. So in this relationship, you need to give time for that heart to open. Maybe you have faced a lot in your life, you have seen a lot of circumstances. This is the time for you to just enjoy the moment, and your heart will know what your intellect is often resisting, guys. So what you truly feel in your heart of heart, you need to follow that today, and patience will always pay off in more meaningful ways, guys, today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So this is the time for you to just have that trust in your heart for that brighter, happier future, and have that patience, and maybe meditate if you are interested in meditation. If you are someone interested in that practice, you can go for it, guys. That is going to help you a lot today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it says obsession. So in your circumstances today, guys, you have some unhealthy attachment, maybe to something, maybe to a person, to a circumstance or a habit, and it is simply slaving you. It is making you really anxious over certain things, and it is really making your life difficult day by day. So you need to take steps to free yourself from this compulsion you have, and you need to take back the power. So this obsession is holding on to you. It's just making you do things, and um, it may be something which you love to do in the beginning, but right now it is something like an addiction, and it is taking your time and energy, and it is really difficult on you, stressing you a lot. So you need to cut yourself free. This could be painful or difficult, guys, trying to free yourself from this habit or from this compulsion you have. But you need to free yourself to enjoy life in a more what to say, in a wholesome way today, and it will be a whole lot wiser on your part to do that, guys. And maybe you can ask people to help you, and you can also help people. Maybe there is someone in your life with some compulsive behavior. It may be your friend or a family member. So it is your duty to help this person, help them come out of this compulsion, and you need to try and give up this unhealthy attachment you have, maybe towards some, it may even be some habits we have, guys, or some kind of a silly compulsion, something we follow, do again and again in a ritualistic way, something we can just avoid. We will get back the time and energy we are wasting in those habits or in this compulsive behavior. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, guys, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.